in code, we want to be flexible with what we want to keep, what we want to get rid of, and what we want to read, so that we don't forget what we're doing later. This is where commenting comes in. It lets us prevent a line from actually running as code, but it keeps it there for us to reinsert or maybe read later. In JavaScript, we do that with a double slash. In code, this line of code will no longer run as code, but simply be left there for us to read. But that's how you comment out one line of code. How do you comment out multiple? In JavaScript, we do that with a slash and a little asterisk, and then again at the end. You can think of the slash as maybe your sandwich is bread, and the asterisk as its filling. And of course, everything inside, that's what's commented. So if you're not sure what's going wrong with your program, you can try comment out a few lines, or add a few console.log statements, and maybe you'll find out what's happening. But probably one of the most important things you can do with commenting is simply describe your code. If you go to sleep for the night and you forget what the code you wrote last night meant, it'd be really nice if past year wrote a few comments explaining what's happening. So to explain this slide, I'll write, this slide shows the importance of